This is a 2020 Lincoln Corsair with front end collision damage. Looks like the vehicle may have hit a pole. You can usually tell by the center over here, the way it's a nice chop. Let's take a look under the hood. So, see the aprons here are pretty straight. Frame rail looks pretty good down there. I don't see any damage. It's hard to tell from the video, but when they usually hit a pole, the frame rails aren't really affected that much. If they are, they'll just roll inwards. So this side rail looks okay. The apron looks okay. The radiator support and bumper support unbolt. These are not a welded piece. Everything's aluminum on these new Lincolns. So you're gonna need the complete radiator support. You're gonna need all the cooling, radiator, condenser, fans. You need the hood. You need the bumper assembly, the grille, and both headlights. That's also a cooling, I believe, probably for the turbo. It's an intercooler. Let's take a look at the rest of the vehicle. This one's pretty loaded. I think it's a Corsair Reserve. Windshield is okay. You have a panoramic roof. This door's in good shape. Quarter panel's in good shape. It's nice from the doors back. So you really just have to focus on the front of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the back of the vehicle. Nice. And the left side looks really clean. Let's take a look inside. All right. Back seats are clean. Leather interior. You have rear heated seats. Take a look at the front. $14,000 miles. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Navigation. That seat's okay. One airbag. The driver's side airbag is deployed. The knee airbag is deployed. You have a seat airbag that's deployed also, and the seat belt locked. Salvage title. It'll be on the website soon. If you find our videos informative and you like them, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and we'll keep the content coming. Thanks for watching.